TurboTax for self-employed. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can do the TurboTax for self-employed, what is it about, and what are some of the features. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, if you go to Google and type in TurboTax for self-employed, the first thing you'll get is TurboTax Self-Employment Tax Hub from Intuit TurboTax. So if we open up this particular link, you can see Self-Employment Tax Hub, your resourceful for helpful tax tips, tools, and articles on how to get the most out of being self-employed. Now, of course, what you can do is you can just go ahead and then actually log into your respective accounts over here. Once you go ahead and click on the sign in option, you should be able to see the self-employment tax hub features and anything, all the articles related to your self-employment TurboTax account. And this is what the self-employment TurboTax is all about, and this is how you can leverage TurboTax to your benefit as a self-employed person. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.